Michael
barracuda.
got first fish. It's a little barracuda. Ooh!
Oh, he got off. That's good. Okay, there you go.
Hi, fishy!
He's stinky son of a bitch.
Michael won, Connie nothing.
Mama got the barracuda. He's got teeth.
I got the barracuda. I did it. I got one.
Oh, he's got no eye.
Ew! What do you mean he's got no eye? Ew, did I rip him through the eyeball?
You hold that.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh no.
Hold this.
I hurted him.
Oh, okay. I got one for you.
Tiggy, I ripped his eyeball. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry, barracuda.
Okay, there you go.
I'm sorry. I hurted him. Oh shit. Michael's got a big one. I think he's got a big one.
Keep it to the right, keep it to the right.
I'm keeping it to the right. Where is he going?
It's under.
What?
Oh, it's not a...
What is it?
Fighting like hell though.
Oh, I don't know what it is,
It's like a
but
snapper.
it's cute.
It's a snapper, I think, or maybe a
Oh no.
Oh, you know what it is? Yeah,
he
it's a
got
snapper.
snagged by his eyeball.
Yeah. But I think they're 12 inch.
Oh.
Get one hook out.
Yikes.
Okay.
We'll get the fish grippers or something and hold
Yeah,
it.
just go back in.
Aw.
Okay, buddy.
Hey, buddy. Aw.
That was a good fight. Well, he tried to wrap up around the trolling motor. I know what he was doing.